My name's Joey and I'm the president of Kerby's Nursery here in Seffner, Florida. We first heard about Proven Winners as a destination for our garden center from our grower, Flora Express. Flora Express's role in us becoming a Proven Winners destination center was providing us with regular access to the plants so that we were able to keep a supply and resupply it as needed. And they also helped us with the marketing materials and displays so that we had a place to really show off the plants to our customers. We really chose the location in the garden center because it is kind of the center of the garden center, but it is also not as visible from the front. So we hoped that it would be a way to create a section that caught people's eyes. The white tables are a little bit different from our typical brown tables that we have now. And so we hoped that that would draw them a little further into the garden center right off the bat. We've definitely seen improved sales in some of the Proven Winners plants. Supertunias have always been good sellers, but having them in Proven Winners pots in a special section has given people the chance to pay more attention to those particular plants and see some of the other options that are available. For garden centers looking to do this in the future, just go for it. The more that you have, the more options you give the customers, the more variety you give the customers. It's helpful to make it something exciting for them. We're looking forward to growing it, to carry more plants, to making customers aware of the great aspects of some of the plants. We're excited to keep that knowledge going to our customers and just allow them to discover something cool to plant in their gardens.